Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I am Alex.
Hi, friends. I am Linda. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a lesson that so many learners struggle with, but by the end of this episode, you will understand it completely.
We are talking about if I have and if I had, two small phrases, but they mean very different things.
When you use the wrong one, it completely changes what you are saying.
We are going to explain everything in simple, clear language with lots of real examples.
You will understand what they mean, where to use them, how to use them correctly, and what mistakes to avoid.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
Okay, friends, let's get started. Section 1. The big picture. What are we really talking about?
Before we look at the grammar, let's understand the big idea first.
In English, when we use if, we are talking about a condition.
A condition means something that needs to happen first before something else can happen.
If it rains, I will stay home. The condition is rain. The result is staying home.
Now, here's the key question. Is the condition real or imaginary?
Real means this can actually happen. It is possible in real life.
Imaginary means this is not real right now. You are just dreaming or wishing.
This is the difference between if I have and if I had.
If I have is for real situations, things that can actually happen.
If I had is for imaginary situations, things that are not real right now, just a dream or a wish.
Let's say that one more time.
If I have, real, possible, could actually happen.
If I had, imaginary, not real right now, just a dream or wish.
Once you understand this one big idea, everything else becomes easy. Section 1. If I have, real and possible situations.
We use if I have when we are talking about something that can actually happen.
The structure is simple. If I have plus something, I will plus do something.
If I have time, I will call you. Maybe I will have time. It is possible. Real.
If I have money, I will buy a new phone. Maybe I will get money. Real, possible.
If I have a problem, I will ask for help. This can happen in real life. Real.
If I have good news, I will tell you first. Good news might come. Real.
In all these sentences, the situation can really happen. It is not a dream.
We use will in the second part because the result is also real and possible.
If I have plus something, I will plus do something. This is the basic formula.
More examples from everyday life.
If I have enough energy after work, I will go to the gym. Real. Maybe I will have energy.
If I have a holiday next month, I will travel to the mountains. Real. Maybe I will get a holiday.
If I have any questions, I will send you an email. Real. Questions might come up.
In all these sentences, the speaker believes this is possible. It can really happen. Section 3. If I had, imaginary and unreal situations.
Now let's talk about if I had, the imaginary one.
We use if I had when we are talking about something that is not real right now.
The situation is imaginary. It's a dream, a wish, or something impossible.
The speaker does not have the thing right now. They are just imagining. The structure is if I had plus something, I would plus do something. Notice we use would in the second part, not will. This is very important.
If I had more time, I would learn to paint. Do I have more time? No. I am imagining.
If I had $1 million, I would travel the world. Do I have $1 million? No, just a dream.
If I had a car, I would drive to the beach every weekend. I don't have a car. Imaginary.
If I had more confidence, I would speak English with everyone, just imagining a better version of myself.
In all these sentences, the speaker does not have the thing right now. They are wishing.
One important thing, even though we say had, we are talking about now, not the past.
Had sounds like the past, but in this structure, it's about now or the future, imaginary.
If I had a car now, I would drive to work. Had is used, but we mean now. The grammar uses a past word, but the meaning is present or future, imaginary.
If I had, imaginary, not real now, always use would in the second part.
Section 4. Feeling the difference side by side.
Now let's put them side by side so you can really feel the difference.
If I have time, I will help you. Real. I might have time. This can happen.
If I had time, I would help you. Imaginary. I don't have time right now, just a wish.
Hear the difference? The first says, maybe I will help you. The second says, I cannot help you right now.
If I have money, I will lend it to you. Real. Maybe I will get money. Possible.
If I had money, I would lend it to you. Imaginary. I don't have money right now. Sorry.
If I have a chance, I will visit you. Real. Maybe the chance will come.
If I had a chance, I would visit you. Imaginary. Right now, there is no chance. Just a dream.
The message changes completely, even though the sentences look almost the same.
Have plus will equals real and possible.
Had plus would equals imaginary and not real right now.
When you want to say something can happen, use if I have.
When you want to say something is just a dream or wish, use if I had.
Section 5. More beautiful uses of if I had.
If I had has so many natural and useful ways to be used. Let's explore them.
Use 1. Wishes about your life right now.
If I had a bigger house, I would invite all my friends for dinner.
If I had more free time, I would read every single day.
If I had a better job, I would feel so much less stressed.
These are all wishes, things the speaker wants but doesn't have right now.
Used to, giving advice in a kind and gentle way.
If I had your problem, I would talk to someone I trust.
If I had that much work, I would ask my manager for help.
When you give advice with if I had, it sounds kind and friendly, not too direct.
It says, I am imagining myself in your situation, and this is what I would do.
Use 3. Polite requests.
If I had your email address, I would send you the information.
This is a polite and indirect way to ask for someone's email, softer than demanding.
Use 4. Fun imaginations.
If I had superpowers, I would help everyone in the world.
If I had wings, I would fly to every country. Great for practice, and great for expressing your personality in English.
Section 6. Other subjects, not just I.
The same rule works with every subject, not just I.
Real and possible use have or has with will.
Imaginary and not real right now use had with would for every subject.
If you have a question, please ask me. Real. You might have a question.
If you had more patience, you would feel less angry. Imaginary. Imagining a different you.
If she has the report ready, she will send it today. Real. Possible.
If she had more confidence, she would apply for the job. Imaginary.
If they have enough votes, they will win the election. Real.
If they had more money, they would build a school in the village. Imaginary.
The pattern is always the same. Just change the subject.
Real, have or has with will. Imaginary, had with would. Simple.
Section 8. Common mistakes fixed.
Now, let's fix the most common mistakes learners make with these two.
Mistake 1. Using will in the if part.
Wrong. If I will have time, I will call you.
In English, we do not use will after if in this structure.
Correct. If I have time, I will call you. No will in the if part.
The if part never uses will. Remember this rule always.
Mistake 2. Using would in the if part.
Wrong. If I would have a car, I would drive to work.
Correct. If I had a car, I would drive to work. Had in the if part, would in the result.
Would goes in the result, not in the if part.
Mistake 3. mixing have and would or had and will.
Wrong. If I have $1 million, I would buy a house. Mixing real and imaginary.
Choose one world and stay in it. Real, have plus will. Imaginary, had plus would.
Wrong. If I had time, I will help you. Mixing again.
Correct. Real, if I have time, I will help you.
Correct. Imaginary. If I had time, I would help you. Never mix the two.
Mistake 4. Thinking had means the past in these sentences.
If I had more energy, I would exercise. This means now, not yesterday. Had equals imaginary present.
Mistake 5. Forgetting would in the result part of if I had.
Wrong. If I had a car, I'd drive to work.
Correct. If I had a car, I would drive to work. Had and would always go together.
Section 8. Useful expressions to know.
Expression 1. If I had the chance. Imaginary opportunity.
If I had the chance, I would move to another country. Imaginary, not possible right now.
Expression 2. If I were you. Very common advice expression.
If I were you, I would apply for that job immediately.
Notice we say were, not was, even with I. Special grammar rule for imaginary sentences.
If I were you, I would talk to the doctor. Were is correct in formal English.
Expression 3. If only I had. Expressing a strong wish.
If only I had more time, I would finish this project.
If only I had listened, things would be different now. If only makes the wish stronger.
Expression 4. Even if I have, and even if I had.
Even if I have the money, I won't buy it. Real. Even with money, still won't buy.
Even if I had the money, I wouldn't buy it. Imaginary. Even in my dream, still no.
Even if adds the meaning of, it doesn't matter. The result is the same.
Section 9. Real-life conversations.
Situation 1. Talking about plans.
Are you coming to the party on Saturday?
If I have a day off, I will definitely come. I'm hoping my boss says yes.
Real situation. If I have plus will, because it might really happen.
Situation 2. Sharing a wish.
You seem tired. What's wrong?
I'm exhausted. If I had more time, I would sleep for a whole week.
Me too. If I had a long holiday, I would go somewhere peaceful and just rest.
Imaginary. If I had plus would. Neither of them has that time right now.
Situation 3. Giving gentle advice.
I'm so unhappy at my job. I don't know what to do.
Honestly, if I had your situation, I would start looking for a new job right away.
Really? You think so?
Yes, if I had your skills, I would have no problem finding something better.
If I had, used for kind, imaginary advice. Very natural and common in real conversation.
Situation 4. Making a real plan.
If I have enough money at the end of the month, I will sign up for the English course.
That's great. And if I have time, I will join with you.
Both speakers talking about real possibilities. If I have plus will. Natural and correct.
Section 10. How to practice every day.
Tip 1. Start with your own wishes every morning.
Complete this sentence. If I had blank, I would blank. Make it personal.
If I had a bigger salary, I would save more money every month.
If I had more energy in the morning, I would exercise before work.
Personal sentences are easier to remember. Use things from your life.
Tip 2. Practice real plans with if I have.
If I have a free weekend, I will visit my grandmother.
Think about real things you are planning and say them out loud.
Tip 3. Give advice using if I had.
Next time a friend has a problem, try, if I had your situation, I would.
It sounds natural, kind, and very advanced. Your friends will be impressed.
Tip 4. Listen for would in songs and movies.
every time you hear would, ask yourself, is this person imagining something?
I would love to travel. I would help if I could. These are imaginary.
Tip 5. Write 3 sentences each day. 1 with if I have and 2 with if I had.
Writing helps your brain remember the structure much faster. Try it for 1 week. Quick review. Everything you learned today.
If I have equals real situation. Possible. Can actually happen.
If I had equals imaginary situation, not real now, a wish or dream right now.
Real and possible. Have with will. Imaginary, had with would.
Mistake 1. Don't use will after if. If I have, not if I will have.
Mistake 2. Don't use would after if. If I had, not if I would have.
Mistake 3. Don't mix. Have goes with will, had goes with would.
Mistake 4. Had in these sentences means now, not the past.
Mistake 5. Always use would in the result part of if I had sentences.
Special expression. If I were you, I would, were, not was.
Special expression. If only I had, for a strong and emotional wish. Final message. You are growing every single day.
If I have and if I had. 2 small phrases, but such a powerful difference.
If I have says, this is real, this can happen, I believe it is possible.
If I had says, this is my imagination, my wish, my dream right now.
Now, every time you want to talk about a real plan, if I have is ready for you.
And every time you want to share a wish or give gentle advice, if I had is there.
Start today. Say 1 real sentence with if I have and 1 dream with if I had.
Just 2 sentences, and you have already begun making this part of your English.
Step by step. If I have, if I had, I will, and I would. It will all feel natural very soon.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more lessons just like this one.
Leave a comment below. Write your own sentence using if I have or if I had.
Try, if I had blank, I would blank. Share it. We would love to read it.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.